Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, affecting ecosystems, economies, and communities worldwide. The urgency of this crisis cannot be overstated, as rising temperatures and extreme weather events threaten our planet's health. This video series aims to educate viewers about the interconnectedness of climate patterns and planetary well-being. By understanding how climate change influences everything from agriculture to biodiversity, we can better appreciate the need for immediate action. Each episode will delve into different aspects of climate change, highlighting its global impact and the critical need for collective response. We will explore how these changes affect our daily lives and the environment, emphasizing that the fight against climate change is not just a responsibility, but a necessity for future generations. Join us on this journey to uncover the complexities of climate change and discover how we can contribute to a healthier planet for all. Climate patterns are shifting dramatically, with observable changes in temperature, extreme weather events, and rising sea levels. Average global temperatures have increased significantly over the past century, leading to more frequent heat waves and droughts. Visual data representations, such as graphs and charts, illustrate this alarming trend, showing a clear upward trajectory. Additionally, extreme weather events, including hurricanes, floods, and wildfires, have become more intense and unpredictable, impacting communities worldwide. Rising sea levels, driven by melting ice caps and thermal expansion, threaten coastal regions, displacing populations and altering ecosystems. These visual aids not only highlight the urgency of these changes, but also serve to educate viewers on the interconnectedness of these phenomena. As we delve deeper into the implications of these patterns, it becomes evident that understanding and addressing climate change is essential for the health of our planet and future generations. As climate change intensifies, competition for resources, particularly water, has become a critical issue. In regions like the Middle East, disputes over water rights have led to heightened tensions between nations. The Jordan River, which flows through several countries, exemplifies this conflict, as each nation seeks to secure its share amidst dwindling supplies. Similarly, in the western United States, the Colorado River's water rights are fiercely contested among states, reflecting the urgency of addressing water scarcity. These case studies illustrate how resource competition can escalate into conflicts, impacting not just local communities, but also international relations. In Africa, the Nile River basin faces similar challenges, with countries vying for control over its waters. As populations grow and climate patterns shift, the implications of water scarcity will only deepen, necessitating cooperative management strategies to prevent further conflicts and ensure equitable access to this vital resource. Rare earth metals are essential for modern technology, powering everything from smartphones to electric vehicles. However, the extraction of these metals comes with significant environmental costs. Mining operations often lead to habitat destruction, soil and water contamination, and increased carbon emissions. The geopolitical landscape surrounding rare earth metals is equally complex. Countries like China dominate production, leading to tensions with nations seeking to secure their own supplies. This dependency creates vulnerabilities, as trade disputes can disrupt access to these critical resources. Furthermore, the race for technological advancement intensifies competition, prompting nations to invest heavily in securing rare earth metal sources. As we navigate this intricate web of environmental and geopolitical challenges, it becomes clear that a balanced approach is necessary. Sustainable practices in extraction and recycling, along with international cooperation, are vital to mitigate the environmental impact while ensuring the availability of these crucial materials for future innovations. As we face the escalating challenges of climate change, innovative conservation solutions emerge as beacons of hope. Around the globe, numerous projects are successfully mitigating climate impacts while preserving biodiversity. For instance, reforestation initiatives in the Amazon rainforest not only combat carbon emissions, but also restore vital habitats for countless species. In coastal regions, mangrove restoration projects are proving effective in protecting shorelines from erosion and enhancing marine biodiversity. Visuals of these efforts in action reveal communities planting trees, restoring wetlands, and engaging in sustainable farming practices. Moreover, urban green spaces are being developed to improve air quality and enhance urban biodiversity. These initiatives exemplify the power of collaboration between governments, NGOs, and local communities. By showcasing these successful projects, we inspire others to adopt similar strategies, proving that innovative conservation can lead to a healthier planet and a more sustainable future for all. Together, we can make a difference. Community-driven conservation efforts are vital in the fight against climate change. Grassroots movements empower individuals to take action, fostering a sense of ownership over their local environments. These initiatives often arise from the unique knowledge and experiences of community members who understand the specific challenges they face. For instance, local groups may organize tree planting events, cleanup drives, or educational workshops, creating a ripple effect of awareness and engagement. One inspiring example is the work of indigenous communities who protect their ancestral lands through sustainable practices, preserving biodiversity and cultural heritage. By collaborating with local governments and organizations, these communities develop tailored solutions that address environmental issues effectively. Moreover, these grassroots efforts inspire others to join the movement, illustrating that collective action can lead to significant change. By highlighting the importance of community involvement, we can motivate individuals to contribute to solutions that benefit both people and the planet. Technology plays a pivotal role in addressing climate change through various innovative approaches. Renewable energy advancements, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, have significantly reduced reliance on fossil fuels, leading to lower greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon capture techniques are also gaining traction, allowing industries to capture and store carbon dioxide emissions, thereby mitigating their impact on the atmosphere. Additionally, smart agriculture practices are enhancing sustainability by optimizing resource use and reducing waste. Techniques like precision farming utilize data and technology to maximize crop yields while minimizing environmental harm. These methods not only improve food security, but also lower the carbon footprint of agricultural practices. As we harness these technological advancements, we pave the way for a more sustainable future. The integration of these solutions is crucial in the fight against climate change, demonstrating that innovation can lead to impactful environmental stewardship. Together, these technologies can help us combat the climate crisis effectively. By recognizing the economic impacts of climate change and embracing sustainable solutions, industries can not only mitigate risks, but also thrive in a changing world, fostering a resilient economy for future generations. Agriculture faces unpredictable weather patterns, leading to reduced yields and increased food prices. The insurance sector grapples with rising claims from extreme weather events, impacting profitability. Additionally, coastal industries are threatened by rising sea levels, prompting costly adaptations. However, investing in sustainable practices and green technologies presents financial opportunities. Transitioning to renewable energy sources can reduce operational costs in the long run. Companies adopting eco-friendly practices often see enhanced brand loyalty, attracting environmentally conscious consumers. Furthermore, innovation in green technologies can create new markets and job opportunities, stimulating economic growth. Governments and businesses that prioritize sustainability will likely benefit from tax incentives and grants, further enhancing their financial stability. Effective policy and governance are crucial in the fight against climate change. Current legislation and international agreements play a significant role in reducing carbon emissions and promoting environmental protection. Agreements like the Paris Accord aim to unite countries in their commitment to limit global temperature rise. National policies, such as carbon pricing and renewable energy incentives, encourage industries to adopt sustainable practices. These frameworks not only set ambitious targets, but also provide accountability for nations. Furthermore, local governance initiatives empower communities to implement tailored solutions that address their unique environmental challenges. By analyzing existing policies, we can identify gaps and areas for improvement, ensuring that efforts are both comprehensive and effective. It is essential to foster collaboration among governments, businesses, and citizens to create a unified approach. Together, we can drive meaningful change and safeguard our planet for future generations, making policy a cornerstone of climate action. Effectively conveying the urgency of climate change to diverse audiences is crucial for mobilizing action. Different groups respond to messages in unique ways, so it is essential to tailor communication strategies. For instance, using relatable narratives and personal stories can resonate more deeply than statistics alone. Visual media plays a significant role in shaping public perception. Compelling images and videos can evoke emotional responses that drive engagement. Social media platforms can amplify these messages, reaching wider audiences quickly. Moreover, involving trusted community leaders in discussions helps bridge gaps and fosters trust. It is vital to highlight local impacts of climate change, making the issue feel immediate and personal. By framing climate change as a shared challenge that requires collective action, we can inspire diverse communities to participate in solutions. Ultimately, effective communication can transform awareness into action, creating a united front against this pressing global issue. Engaging with climate change skeptics requires patience and empathy. Start by actively listening to their concerns, as this builds trust and opens the door for dialogue. Use questions to guide conversations, encouraging them to explore their beliefs and the evidence surrounding climate science. Share relatable stories and personal experiences that highlight the impacts of climate change on everyday life. It is essential to present information clearly and factually, avoiding jargon that may alienate them. Focus on common ground, such as shared values like economic stability and community well-being. Highlight successful local initiatives that demonstrate how collaborative efforts can lead to positive outcomes. Encourage skeptics to participate in discussions or community projects, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility. By creating a respectful environment for dialogue, we can bridge divides and inspire collective action toward addressing climate change, ultimately leading to a more sustainable future for all. Education plays a vital role in fostering climate awareness among future generations. Schools and universities are increasingly integrating climate science and sustainability into their curricula, ensuring students understand the complexities of environmental issues. Programs like project-based learning encourage hands-on experiences, allowing students to engage with real-world challenges. For instance, initiatives that involve local ecosystems or community gardens not only teach ecological principles, but also instill a sense of responsibility towards the environment. Additionally, online platforms and educational resources provide accessible information about climate change, enabling learners of all ages to participate in discussions. By incorporating climate education into various subjects, from science to social studies, educators can cultivate critical thinking and problem-solving skills. This comprehensive approach prepares students to become informed citizens who can advocate for sustainable practices and innovative solutions. Ultimately, education empowers individuals to make informed choices that positively impact our planet's future. Let's unite in this mission and pave the way for a sustainable future. Start by making small lifestyle changes, such as reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, and choosing sustainable products. Every effort counts. Advocate for policies that protect our environment by engaging with local representatives and supporting initiatives that prioritize sustainability. Join community groups focused on conservation and participate in local cleanup events or tree planting activities. Together, we can amplify our voices and create a collective impact. Support organizations dedicated to combating climate change through donations or volunteer work. Educate those around you about the importance of these issues, fostering a culture of awareness and action. Remember, the fight against climate change is not just a responsibility, but an opportunity to create a healthier planet for future generations. In conclusion, we have explored the intricate web of climate patterns, resource management, and conservation efforts. We highlighted how rising temperatures and extreme weather events are not isolated phenomena, but interconnected challenges that affect our planet's health. The competition for resources, particularly water and rare earth metals, underscores the urgent need for sustainable practices and innovative solutions. We showcased inspiring community-driven initiatives and technological advancements that demonstrate our capacity to combat climate change. Moreover, we discussed the vital role of policy and education in fostering a collective response to this global crisis. As we reflect on these key points, let us remember that hope is not lost. Each of us has the power to make a difference through our choices and actions. Together, we can build a sustainable future, ensuring that our planet thrives for generations to come. Let us unite in this mission and inspire change.